everybody, it's me Mukil again. Do you know how to make a movie without a camera? Well, I do. We make it out of paper. That seems impossible, but it isn't. We're gonna make a flip book. It's like a movie, but with paper. Keep watching this video until the end so you can make a proper flip book. Let's get into the video without wasting even a single second. These are supplies needed to make a flip book. A ruler, a scissor, 3 or 4 papers or even more or less. Depends on if you want to add more or skip some. A stapler and a permanent marker or pen or a pencil. So first step is to fold and make the squares ready for the flip books or rectangles. Second step, drawing. Third step, staple or tape each section. Fourth step, flip through to see the movie. The first step is to take the papers, do that, and then fold it side to side. If it's not like together like that, you can do that again. And then side to side. Now top to bottom. You can crease it with a ruler like this. Press it very, very well. Now top to bottom. And then I'm gonna crease it with my ruler again. If you didn't like go all the way to the bottom, you can do that. And then just press a little on it and then crease hard on when you do the ruler. When you do the ruler, you can crease it like that. And then ruler. Now we have this. And then fold it top to bottom, crease it with a ruler. If it isn't on the thing. Now I have the pages ready, but we still have to cut on the creases. So you can open it up. You can do one by one, but that takes a little more time. So do that, and then now cut it. Now I'm gonna cut it. If it doesn't line up, if you think you'll mess it up, you can do 2 each, like that. Everything isn't the same size. So Now I stacked everything up and I made the pages. Now I'm gonna draw each one. You can put a number so you don't forget which one you drew. First, I'm gonna draw a rocket. First, I'm gonna write the launch of the rocket. So we're drawing a rocket launch and we're gonna show it going up to space. First, I have to draw a simple rocket which is doing no action. Just like that, a simple rocket. I'm gonna put it there and then make it go a little more higher on this one. Or you can put it like that and then you'll be able to see the rocket which you drew there. I drew it like that. It's a little higher than this one. I'm gonna put it behind the rest. I'm gonna make it go higher. And then if you run out of space, you can like put it in the bottom again and go. Or you can make it coming down. Now stack it up as the order you drew and check if you did the correct order. You don't need to check if you put it behind each one. Now I stacked it up. You don't need to staple it. Or you can use something else which can hold. Now our flipbook is ready. Now let's launch the rocket. I'm gonna show one more time. If it gets stuck somewhere, you can do that and then do that again. With flashcards, it's even better. With flashcards, it's better than A4 because it's a little thicker. And thank you for watching, viewers. Please support and subscribe my channel.